Hi everyone, today we learn how to install Rank Math SEO tool on WordPress. Welcome to my channel, Saba here, and we are going to discuss about the SEO tool plugin and how to set up it, how to connect with your WordPress account. All these details today we'll learn in our video. Let's start. First thing that you have to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you log in, this is going to be your dashboard. Once you log into your dashboard, click on plugins. Then here you'll find add new plugin. Click on add new plugin. Search for Rank Math. Once you search for Rank Math, the first one, the Rank Math SEO, you will find it over here. Click on install now. It's installing. Once it is installed, it will show you the activate button. Click on activate. Once it is activated, you will find Rank Math SEO tool under your plugin section. Now, on the left hand side, you will find Rank Math SEO. Once you click on Rank Math SEO, you can click on connect your account. Now you have to connect your Rank Math account with WordPress. You can log into any of them, but I choose Google. Click on your email ID, or if you want to use any other email ID, you can do the same. Now click on activate now. As I want advanced features, I'm going ahead with the advanced one. If you just want the basic things related with the rank math and the SEO, you can choose the easy setup. Under advanced, you'll find few more features that you don't find in under easy. You can go ahead with the same. Click on start wizard. Now choose which what kind of website it is. If it is a business website, you can choose business website. If it is your normal personal blog, you can go ahead with the personal blog. As it is the web business website, it is not the small business website, it is the business website, so I'm going ahead with other business website. You can choose what kind of business type it is. Mine is services. As we are offering the digital marketing services, I'll look into the services. As I don't find marketing over here, I'll go ahead with the professional service. In a similar way, you can search for the kind of business that you have and then choose the type, then proceed. Now click on the website name. It is sent SEO. We don't have any alternate name. Organization, the name remains the same. Logo for Google, yeah, it is the same. I don't want to change. If you want a default social media share image, you can add it. As I am not looking for it, I'll proceed it normally. If you want to connect with Google services, you can do the same like console and analytics. If it is not available, then you can skip it. If you want, you can connect with the Google Analytics and Google Search Console. As it is on another email, I am skipping this step. If it is on the same email ID, you can proceed. And for the sitemap, yes, I want to generate, may enable all of them. If it is deselected, make sure everything is selected. Then save and continue. These are the SEO tweaks like external links. If you want to open it into the new tab, you can do that. No index, no follow. Yeah, this one make sure it is enabled, and this one also make sure it is disabled. The disabled one only. Now your site is ready. I don't want to keep auto update on enable. If you want, you can enable it. However, I don't prefer it normally. So I'll set up the advanced options. Role manager, if you have more than one, you can choose a role manager and activate it. 404, yeah, I'll enable it. I'll enable the redirection. It will be easier. If you have any pages that are not found, it will automatically show 404. Yeah, schema is also this advanced option. If you go ahead with the easy option, you couldn't have found this. That's why I have gone with the advanced options. And the schema types, normally we have pages and articles, so we are going ahead with the our no, for the post I'll choose article, and for the pages I'll choose service, as it is a service business. Now whenever if you want to manually change any of them, you can do it as per your requirement anytime. Once you get into the rank math, you will have it. If it is woocommerce, you can enable this option. If it is not, it is not required though. And other options also, when we get into SEO part, we'll look into it. However, these were the basic settings that you actually needed to do for the rank math for while setting up the rank math. Hope you understood it, and now it's completely connected with our WordPress account. You can get into our website like the post or the pages and check whether the rank math SEO tool is enabled or not. Let's check. I'll edit this post. You can find it over here. This is the rank math tool only. You can check. Yeah, now you can add the keywords whichever you want to target. That means it is enabled and it is in use. Now you can use the rank math tool for while for doing the SEO part of the website. Thank you, hope you find it useful. Keep subscribing, keep liking the videos. I'll come up with more videos in future. Thank you.